Nintendo.
Hey, what's up, guys? Producer Noob, aka Josiah Music here. I wanted to start off this new series that I'm doing, where I basically make type beats, but for video games instead of your typical type beat tutorials. So I figured, what better way to start it off than one of my favorites growing up, which was Animal Crossing on GameCube. I really have fun with this, and I would love you guys' feedback, not only on your thoughts for the series, but give me recommendations and things I could have done better to improve the beat. Also, let me know what you want to see done next. Um, yeah, so without further ado, this is my interpretation of Animal Crossing. I hope you enjoy my take on it. Alright, first things first, open up Scalar, go to the distance preset. It's dope. That's the main pattern that you're gonna hear, is just that chord progression. I didn't use Scalar's presets for it, I kind of just made it. Next, you gotta have that source, Virtual Waves product, Virtual Power. And this is from the Musician's Dream expansion pack. It's a guitar called Simple Love. I really liked how it sounded. It gave me that Animal Crossing vibe. And all I did was raise the attack and the gain, but I turned it down. So, and this is how that sounds. Next sound is another virtual power instrument. This is a bell from the other expansion pack, Gasoline and Matches. So if you want these fire sounds, you're gonna have to purchase them. But don't worry, if you use my link below, you can get a discount. This is the Synth-Fi bell, and it didn't pull up. All right, there we go. Really easy. Animal Crossing's easy. That's why we started the series with it. All right. Next, because I noticed when I was younger, Animal Crossing used to have a lot of I wouldn't say ambient, but a lot of just like background noises and stuff. Like you could just hear like whistles and things like that walking around. So I added some of my own whistles and plucks, and I left the white noise in there just because it really helped fit the vibe. Some clucks, just a lot of that scattered throughout the beat because I really thought it was dope. And you can hear panning and like light effects. Those effects are from Damaged Goods, which is the first ever virtual waves effect VST. And I just added wavy, wob, delay, and reverb. You can customize these individual, but I just left them as they are, and it sounded pretty dope. And I liked how it sounded. I also added it to slightly EQ that first virtual power instrument, but I didn't do much to it. This is just a automation for the volume of my whistles and stuff. This percussion is from the Baker 909 kit. I don't know how long I've had this. I just know it's been a while. And yeah, it's really light. I time stretched it, pitched it down, and turned it down. It's just supposed to be barely heard in the background. I'm going to play the original for you real quick so you can get a genuine idea of it. Genuine. So this is the original. As you can see, I turned it down a lot. Now this is the version I did. I'm gonna just turn this up for the sake of you hearing it. You hear? Nice. Turn that back down. percussion, other stuff. Just this kick. This is the original. Right here. So basically the same thing. Turned it down, slowed it down, and pitched it down. That's literally it. I'm going to go over another one with you guys, and I'll see you there. But for now, this is the completed version. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed.